Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's get back to this reassembly of the Stihl MS270 with the Farmer Tec 280 big bore kit on it. Let's get at it. Alright guys, so we put the handle back on. There's no good way for me to do that and film it by myself. You got these two anti-vibes, and that's what holds your handle on. Basically, I just pushed it together, took a small screwdriver, went around. Make sure also that you get your intake back in there. Then also you got to take a small needle of those pliers inside of here. Make sure that you hook that rubber line back up for your impulse, because this small hole here, that's what runs your impulse line. And then you got these two little caps that just snap into those rubber anti-vibes, and that's what holds. Just push them down in, and that's what holds that to the handle. So where I think we're going to go to next is we're going to put the side cover back on. Now for the oil reservoir, we do have a new gasket for it. If you want the part number, there it is. Also, let's see here. This is the part number for the oil seals for the crankshaft. Also, I did put the stock steel circlips on the piston. That is the part number for those. So, and the only reason I went with the stock ones is because this is the design of the ones that come with the kit. They have this extra little tail on here. Now you can either cut that off. Some guys say to cut it off. I just chose to buy the steel ones just because. So we'll get this gasket put on. We'll get this side cover put on. Alright, so on this gasket you've got two little nubs there. That's what tells you where they sit. Just push that down in there. And then on the bottom here you have this area where it goes into the anti-vibe on your handle here. So just make sure that gets into there. It's on its side. All the screws are the same size, looks like to me. Let's check here. I don't remember which ones are for the recoil. Okay. So you've got 3 down in here, this one, the one up in here, and the one in your anti-vibe. We'll tighten those down, guys, and I think that's where we're going to end this video for today. Next time we'll put the flywheel back on, the clutch back on, and everything else, and see how she goes. So guys, if you like the video so far, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up on it, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. It's always appreciated when I get new subscribers. Hit that little notification bell also, so next time we'll get her all buttoned up and be on our way with it. Thanks guys.